Hi friends, I am Dr. Pratap Sinator. I have done the MD in Pharmacy Medicine. In today's video, we will continue with cardiovascular poisons. In that, we will start with Nerium Odorum poison. Nerium Odorum grows all over India. It is also known as white oleander or kanir. It grows widely and it is also cultivated in gardens and also for purpose of flowers. They also are used in temples. They use the flower in temples also. Flowers are fragrant. They born in the terminal clusters with white, pink, dark red or really pale yellow in color. So they grow in a cluster of at the one end of a plant with 5 to 6 flowers growing at the time. They are 2.5 centimeters wide, have 5 petals. So this is the image of the flower. You can see 4 to 5 petals are present. Sometimes they also have in double blooms with many petals are seen. The leaves are narrow, lanceolate, that is shaped like a lancet with leathery texture. If you feel it feels like a leathery texture is present. The upper surface is dark green in color. The under surface is lighter comparatively. If you see it, the under surface is lighter, and they have around 10 to 25 centimeters in long. The seed pod grows as a slim cylindrical shaped and up to 20 cm long, turns brown after drying and splits, releasing small seeds tipped with brown heads. So these are the seeds of Nerium Odorum plant. So they are usually typically long cylindrical seed pods are present, and after drying they becomes brown in color. Later on that is opened up and releases the seeds. Coming to active principles, all parts of the plants including nectar are poisonous, containing several cardiac glycosides including oleandrosid, which is known as oleandrin, neuroside, nerin, and the both resembles like a digitalis in action. The other active principle includes phoenerin and rosagenin. Coming to side symptoms, it causes contact dermatitis when it comes in contact with the skin. Emissions from flower fragrance can cause headache, dizziness, respiratory difficulty and nausea. If ingested leaves or any part of the plant, it causes difficulty in swallowing and articulation. There is abnormal pain, vomiting, profuse or frothy swelling and diarrhea. Pulse is first slow, later on it becomes rapid and weak. Blood pressure falls, there is fibrillation and AV block occurs. Respirations are increased, pupils are dilated, muscular twitching starts developing, the tetanic spasms may occur and also the lockjaw may occur. Drowsiness followed by chroma, then respiratory paralysis, and death occurs usually because of respiratory paralysis. Sometimes death is also results from cardiac failure, respiratory cardiac failure. Fetal dose is 50 to 20 grams of the root, 5 to 12 15 leaves or 8 to 10 seeds are poisonous. Fetal period is 20 to 36 hours. Treatment: stomach wash using activated charcoal may lead to remove any unabsorbed poison, and fragment antibodies specific to digoxin, which is available for digoxin, is also helpful in case of Nerium plant. Postmortem appearance, they are not characteristics. Congestion of organs are seen sometimes if the person dies because of asphyxia, but again it is not specific. It can be detected long after death also. So if the person has consumed the plant poisons, it can be detected. The active principle can be detected even after long after death also. Coming to circumstances of poisoning, the root, leaves or fruits are often used as a paste or decoction for suicide purposes. Homicide is very rare. It is used as an abortifacient where root is used either locally or taken internally also. Sometimes root is taken internally for treating venereal diseases by quacks. Root is also used for treating cancers and ulcers in form of paste, again by quack is given. Decoction of leaves is applied externally to reduce swelling. As a kettle poison, the juice of the root is applied on a piece of the cloth and inserted into the anus of the animal to cause kettle deaths. Smoke from burning plant is toxic. So the parts of the plant which can be dried and used for cooking purposes in villages can become toxic when the plant materials is used to roast food over that fire. The poisonous sap can be transferred into food, may lead to food poisoning and lethal. These are my references. Thank you.